So today I'm at Waitohi, which is Johnsonville's new library building. We have some lovely new Schindler 5500's. And yes, I do mean that as plural, because there is actually two identical lifts here. You'll see in a minute when we get upstairs. Here we are at one. So check this out. So, oh, sorry. So there's car 2, and car 1 sits just round here, because it was too difficult for them to have both of them side by side and run them on the one controller, which would have been infinitely more efficient than the way they've done it. But that's modern architecture for you. But that car is identical to this one. But we're only going to ride the one car. Well, both lifts are identical. Same size, same shape, same buttons. So I'm probably only going to ride this car because the other car opens up right next to the desk on the lower ground floor and is also much busier. So as you can see, where this car on the lower ground floor opens up here by this corridor, the other car opens up on the other side of those stairs right next to the front deck. In the end, I decided to give the other car a go anyway, because why not? I thought you guys would probably want to see it, so I changed my mind. Here we are at one. Lovely view. Let's try and make the chime go, because I really like this chime. I really like 5500s, so nice. So these lifts have a capacity of 1,275 kgs, 17 persons.